Children, how are you all? Hope you all are happy and healthy. So let's start today our science subject, and today we are going to continue lesson number 6, our body, part 2 of this lesson. So see in textbook on page number 4040, today we are going to learn about sense organs. Okay, so here is on page 40, S-E-N-S-E, sense, O-R-G-A-N-S, organs. Sense organs means you come to know how you feel when you see, when you taste, when you feel, I can say, if you are feeling very hot or when you are feeling very cold. So with the skin you can find out that you are feeling very hot or cold, or if it is raining you can find out that yeah, it is raining. So this type of organs are known as sense organs. Okay, so which are they and their name we will see in this part. We have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, E-Y-E-S, eyes, E-A-R-S, ears, N-O-S-E, nose, T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue, and S-K-I-N, skin. So these are the name of 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Now we will see in detail how we can come to know with the help of this sense organ. So here it is given, we have 2 ears. Okay, here it is given picture and 2 ears. We H-E-A-R, hear with them. So we hear with them. If somebody is calling any sound, let it be of a music or a person calling, so we hear with them. Now next is, we have 1 nose. Okay, we smell with it, S-M-E-L-L, smell. So here is picture given of a flower. When you smell flower you come to know which type of fragrance it is, that is rose, jasmine. Okay, so that, and sometimes also you can come to know with the help of smell that what is cooking, what your mother is cooking for you, any special dish for you. So you come to know, wow mama, you are cooking my special dish. And next one is, we have 2 eyes, we see with them. So you can watch movie also, you can watch cartoon also, or you can watch computer work you are doing, your drawing work, your friend work. Okay, and next is, we have 1 tongue, we taste with it. Okay, so we can taste ice cream also, or your special dish cooked by your mama. And next is, our W-H-O-L-E, whole body is C-O-V-E-R-E-D, covered with S-K-I-N, skin. Okay, so our whole body is covered with skin. We feel things with it. Okay, so here it is example given. When you take a piece of ice, okay, ice cube in your hand, how you feel. Okay, so this is known as feeling. So these are known as sense organ. So now we also see next on page 41, name, pictures are given and you are going to write name of it. Other few pictures and you are going to write name of that. Here it is given, question is, write the names of this body parts. So here it is, you can see picture, name, nose, ear, because one picture is there, 1 leg, foot, so foot, 1 eye, so E-Y-E-I, and hand, 1 hand picture, so hand. Now next is, how you grow. Okay, so here it is given, G-R-O-W-I-N-G, growing, U-P, up. So how you grow, how your body grows. All living thing grows. Okay, already you know from the first lesson that living thing grow, and what are the things living things need to grow. A baby grows up to be a boy or a girl. Okay, so कोई भी बेबी होता है, चाहे बेबी बॉय या बेबी गर्ल, तो वो बड़ा होके बॉय और फिर गर्ल बोला जाता है. A boy or a girl grows up to be a young man or a young woman. Okay, जब बॉय और गर्ल बड़े होते हैं तो वो young man और young woman बोला जाता है. A young man or a woman grows up to be an old or an old woman. जब young man और young woman और भी ज़्यादा ग्रो होते हैं तो उसे बोला जाता है old man और एन ओल्ड वुमेन, यानी गर्ल है तो वो यंग वुमन के बाद वो एन ओल्ड वुमेन। वी लुक डिफरेंट एज वी ग्रो ओल्डर, जैसे जैसे हम बढ़ते जाते हैं, छोटे बेबी से थोड़ा और नर्सरी में, जब केजी, फर्स्ट, फिर कॉलेज, फिर मम्मी पापा, तो हमारे हर एक लुक में डिफरेंट लुक होता है, ठीक है, जैसे जैसे हम बढ़ते हैं। नाउ वेयर पिक्चर इज़ गिवन, सी अ स्मॉल बेबी, ठीक है, फिर जब वो स्कूल जाने की एज उसकी हो जाती है, नर्सरी से आप अगर आप मान लो कि 2nd 4th स्टैंडर्ड में हो, फिर आप कॉलेज से भी आगे हो गए पापा जैसे, फिर दादू जैसे, और यहाँ पे गर्ल का दिया है, ठीक है, बेबी गर्ल, फिर 4th स्टैंडर्ड, फिर मम्मा जैसे, और फिर दादी जैसा, ठीक है। सो हियर इट इज़ गिवन पिक्चर ऑफ ए बॉय एंड ए गर्ल, बेबी बॉय एंड बेबी गर्ल, कैसे वो ग्रो होके यहाँ तक वो साइकिल आता है, ये साइकिल बोला जाता है, और चारों पिक्चर्स में आप देखो लॉट ऑफ चेंज है। सो एज वी ग्रो ओल्डर वी लुक डिफरेंट। On the next page, pictures are given and you are going to give number accurately, that how it starts as the stage goes to grown up. So number this picture in the correct order. Okay, you can see pictures given easily, and it is also given in your textbook on page 42. So you are going to give starting number from baby to young one to like papa and then dadu. Okay, so you are going to give number, 1 is given for you, 2, 3 and 4. So here we end our lesson, and regarding this today we are going to write only hard words, and exercise we will do in the next class. Thank you students, have a nice day.